ka lang dyan.
Live my day as if it was the last. Live my day as if there was no past. Doing it all night.